We often think that success comes from hard work, intelligence, or an excellent strategy. But there's one key element that we cannot overlook: health and fitness. You can have all the skills and talent, but if your body isn't healthy, if you don't have the energy and endurance, it will be hard to reach your biggest goals in life. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. In this video, we'll explore the connection between health, fitness, and success. Let's discover how a healthy body can help you achieve success, not only in your work, but in your everyday life. 1. Your body is your first business. Your body is your first business, the cornerstone of your existence. Treating it with respect through mindful self-care transforms not only your physical health, but also enhances your mental clarity. Every choice, be it nutrition, exercise, or rest, shapes your vitality and resilience. When you prioritize your well-being, you empower yourself to tackle life's challenges with enthusiasm and strength. This nurturing foundation cultivates success, allowing you to pursue personal and professional aspirations with vigor, ultimately leading to a more fulfilled and vibrant life. 2. The CEO Workout Rule. The CEO Workout Rule transformed how executives approach their days. One CEO, dedicated to this principle, rose early for a morning jog, often inviting team members to join. This simple act fostered camaraderie and encouraged employees to prioritize their own health. One employee, inspired by the routine, adopted healthier habits, boosting their productivity and morale. As the CEO embraced balance, it trickled down the hierarchy, creating a culture of wellness. Ultimately, the rule cultivated a vibrant workplace, demonstrating that personal discipline in self-care fuels professional success. 3. From lazy to legendary. Once a lethargic individual, Jamie found themselves trapped in a cycle of procrastination, feeling drained and uninspired. One day, a fleeting thought sparked a desire for change. They began by setting small, attainable goals: a 10-minute morning jog, swapping junk food for nutritious snacks. Despite facing struggles like fatigue and self-doubt, Jamie embraced each challenge as a stepping stone. Over time, the transformation blossomed as newfound energy fueled ambitions. With each success, Jamie emerged not just as an achiever, but as a beacon of motivation, inspiring others to prioritize self-care and strive for greatness. 4. Health is the real flex. In a world that often equates success with wealth or status, the true flex lies in prioritizing health. Consider Jamie, who once felt overwhelmed by daily fatigue. Through simple changes, morning jogs, mindful eating, and dedicated self-care, Jamie transformed not just physically, but mentally. This newfound vitality rippled outward, inspiring colleagues to adopt healthier habits. Fitness became a shared journey, fostering a workplace culture where wellness thrived. As Jamie embraced this vibrant lifestyle, happiness and success flourished, proving that when health is prioritized, everything else falls into place. 5. Fitness and focus. Anna always believed that physical fitness and mental focus were intertwined. Yet her busy life made it difficult to prioritize both. She started with small, manageable goals, morning jogs that cleared her mind and energized her body. At first, the struggle was real. Distractions loomed large, and temptations to skip workouts cropped up frequently. However, as she persisted, Anna noticed a shift. Her newfound discipline and exercise sharpened her focus at work, enhancing her productivity. Each completed run became a triumph, fueling her motivation. Eventually, she not only improved her physical health, but also transformed her mindset, inspiring colleagues to join her journey. 6. Discipline is transferable. Discipline is a thread that weaves through every aspect of life, connecting seemingly disparate pursuits into a unified tapestry of achievement. Take Jamie, for instance. Her commitment to fitness cultivated a sense of resilience that spilled over into her career. The early morning runs honed her focus, enabling her to tackle complex projects with newfound clarity. Similarly, Anna discovered that the routine of meal prepping not only nourished her body, but sharpened her time management skills, making her more efficient at work. Their stories illuminate how habits formed in one domain can empower success in another, proving that discipline transcends boundaries and transforms lives. 7. Success starts with self-care. In the pursuit of wealth, many overlook the vital role of health, often discovering too late how intertwined the two truly are. Take Tom, for example. He devoted countless hours to climbing the corporate ladder, neglecting his well-being. As stress mounted, his health deteriorated, leading to frequent sickness that halted his productivity and eroded his savings through medical bills. Conversely, Lisa embraced a balanced lifestyle, prioritizing fitness and nutrition. Her improved energy and focus not only enhanced her career performance, but also opened doors to opportunities, ultimately leading her to achieve financial success. These stories underscore a powerful lesson. Investing in health is investing in wealth. Remember, health is the foundation of all success. When you take care of yourself, you're investing in your future, in the opportunities you truly deserve. Success doesn't come from luck or chance, but from perseverance, from your mental and physical strength. Start today. Take one solid step at a time to become the strongest version of yourself. Never give up. You already have everything you need to never fail. Stay strong, stay resilient, and never quit. Because you are the only one who can defeat yourself. You are undefeated. Stay strong. Keep fighting. You are undefeated.